20x.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Yes! Let's go! Woohoo! We got the key. We got the key. We got the key. It's a crazy time. Come on. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wobble. Boys and girls, home sweet home, but hey, make a choice. Green, blue, or yellow flapper? Up to you. So most of you chose the blue flapper. Okay, all right, max multi. Ooh, 100x, unless we get a double bubble. Good luck. $20 for the blue, $50 for the yellow, team green. The party don't stop, cause double we got. Hey, so 200x for the green team, unless you get a double. Good luck. Oh, baby! Double trouble, yup. Listen up, everybody. Quick maths right there. 400 for the green team. That's the max. Unless we get another double. Let's find out.
This is the amount of money issued, 139,338 euros.
Green team, yep. Ciao. That was one fine catch, everybody. 5,200 winners. Enjoy your aim of 5,000. Good? That was so cool. Congrats, people. Ooh, ooh. Let's continue? I think we can continue. High five, everybody.
300 at yellow squad. Let's go, team yellow. 75x, not bad either. But yellow is on a different level. Thank you guys. You are the proud owners. Some of you. Over 2,000 people proud owners of the best multiplier of the day so far. So far. Got a 3x coin flip coming through. Wow, 300 on yellow. Yeah, so Alice, you know what to do. Well, I also know what to do, Alice. Pachinko is here. Guys, one more bonus before I leave you with the lady in the red dress. What is that thing on your head called, Alice? Hair? No. Headband. She's got a headband as well. 2x, 3, 7, 10, 20, 25, 40, and Alice's favorite 200. All right, guys. Imagine we get a 200 to finish this session. Pucky. Let's go. The goodbye will look.
This is the amount of money issued, 678,715 euros.
Bangladesh. No, Bangladesh always in the house. I hope you did watch that trailer I told you to watch, Monkey Man. Final seconds. Looks like a good movie. Oh, did you see the Borderlands trailer? Holy moly. Looks a little freaky, not gonna lie. Crazy time, 3x. Oh, sole mio. Do you know what does means now? I need to ask my chat moderator to Google translate it for me. Oh snap, guys, check this out, guys. Out of nowhere, crazy time, 3x. Yo, at the end of the session. Okay, let's go. Is it happening? It's happening. It's happening. Something's happening. Second crazy time of the session, guys. Last one was 15, 50, 15. But this one will be different. This one has a 3x top slot. Let's go, ballers. Spinners, winners. Ladies and gentlemen, time to choose your destiny. ZJ calls for blue again. He didn't disappoint us last time. ZJ, I got a different feel, but I don't know, man. I gotta trust him again, guys. I go blue. I go blue. I gotta trust you, ZJ. 300x max, guys. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 575,850 euros.
75x blue, 300 on yellow. And just like that, we got the new high win of the day, as I predicted last time.
This round, and let's go to the next round. No dealers, stay here, Jane. Oh, I'm staying, whether you want that or not. Jane is not leaving. Hello, Miss Jane Sweat. Hello, Elo. Hello, hello. 5x on the crazy time. 5x is also good. I know it's not 7, but 5. Okay, crazy time is getting closer. Okay, okay. Uh-huh. Oh, you guys, we got a crazy time with the top slot. Woo! Let's run now. Woo! You guys, welcome to crazy time. Woo! Okay. Look at all the numbers. 5x multi from the top slot. Woo! Look at the magic going on the wheel, guys. Woo! So, my dear players, now it's time to choose the flapper. I know everyone is excited, but let's get back to work. Choose the flapper fast, okay? Green, blue, or maybe the yellow one. 1,000, the biggest one. What? Woo!
This is the amount of money issued 127,150 euros.
Green, 50 blue, 250 for the yellow. Woo! 2,807 round winners. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. Oh, wow. Yellow team. You guys did an amazing job. Congratulations. Yes, Aline! Woo! Thank you, Miss Jean Sweat. Oh, I love being sweat.
There to tease us. Get in there. Yes! Crazy time with a 4X. Hallelujah. Ladies and gentlemen, amigos. Oh la la, por favor. I don't know what else to say. Let's just get out there. There we go. Phew. I thought it's going to be a tease. I honestly thought it's going to be a tease. Thankfully it wasn't. Crazy time with a 4X on a top slot. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, all the multipliers will be multiplied by 4X on the wheel right now. Bring it on, crazy time. Bring it on. So yeah, your decision starts now. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 different colors to choose from: green, blue and yellow. It doesn't really matter which color you go for. All of those colors have literally the same chances of getting the highest multipliers. So, for this round, our players, 400x is going to be the highest one. Let's get some doubles first. Why not? Let's make it even bigger. Let's go. that's an 80x for the yellow, 100x for the green, double trouble for the blue right there. So the blue is gonna have a chance to get a 800x multiplier right there. Come on, come on, let's get it. Let's not wait for anything else. Ayo, that's another double trouble. Ladies and gentlemen, 1,600x. That's gonna be the new highest one. Come on, we can do this, right? We can make the new highest one of the day, maybe of the week, maybe of the month. Let's find out.
This is the amount of money issued, 224,003 euros.
100x on a blue, but that was so close to 1,600x. Come on! Alright, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful round, but I mean, so close to the 1,600x right there. Super duper close. But,
hello everyone! Hello everyone, what happened? Is the main crazy time closed or what? Or you just love being here? What happened? $20x on Pachinko. Can't imagine this. 20x on Pachinko. Okay. Yes. What? You guys, are you ready? Okay. Welcome to Pachinko. Well, now we're talking. 20x from the Topslot. What? Okay, let's see the multis. We don't care about these anyways, because we will put 20x. OMG, what is going on? I think if I'm correct, 700 is the biggest one. Okay, let's run. Let's run, guys. Keep your fingers crossed, please. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'm excited.
This is the amount of money issued to 167,129 euros.
Got 200x. I love it. 4,111 rounds of winners. Bonnie got so it's 10,000 euros on the number one spot. Congratulations to you, my dear players. You guys did an amazing job, I must say. How many Topslot? That was 20.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.